Hello, in today's lesson we're going to look at instructions to follow a recipe. First, let's think about some sequencing words. So this is the order that the instructions are given. So we might say first, then, after that, and finally, and that's our last instruction. We also use common cooking verbs. For example, chop, fry, mix, and bake. So let's look at some examples using the sequencing words and the common cooking verbs. First, I chop the onions. Then I fry them slowly. After that, I mix in the vegetables. Finally, I add in the cooked pasta, sprinkle cheese on top, and let everything bake in the oven for 10 minutes. Do you know what I made? Yes, I made a pasta bake. See if you can guess what this one is. First, I chop the chocolate into pieces. Then I mix the butter, sugar, and eggs together. After that, I mix in the flour and chocolate pieces. Finally, I bake the biscuits until they're golden. Do you know what it is? Yeah, chocolate chip cookies. So now it's your turn. Choose a simple dish that you know well and try to explain how you cook it. Try using the words first and then and finally in your instructions.